Okay, let's start. Okay, first question is that what is decorators in Python? These questions will be answered by Parth.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
what is decorators?
So decorators are very powerful, useful tool in Python. It
Okay,
allow to program for modify the behavior of a function or class. सर
okay,
ये मतलब उसमें फंक्शन और क्लास के बिहेवियर को मॉडिफाई करने के लिए यूज होता है.
okay. And what is monkey patching?
Sorry sir, I don't know.
Okay. Anybody know about monkey patching?
सर मंकी पैचिंग वर्क डेकोरेटर जैसे करती है बट ये रन टाइम पे वर्क मॉडिफिकेशन करती है क्लास और मॉड्यूल का.
Okay, means simply you can say that monkey patching is used to modify the class without changes on actual classes. Okay, if you want to change the
Yes.
any internal function of classes without interfering the actual class, then you will use monkey patching. And if you want
Yes.
to change the functionality of the method or procedural approach without interfering the actual functions, then you will use decorators concept. Okay,
Decor. Yes.
these are the differences between decorators and monkey patching.
Monkey patching. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is pickle? What is pickle module and what is pickling process? Tell Sachin. What is pickle? Sachin Gautam, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Hello.
know? Do you know about pickle? What is pickle?
Pickle.
Pickling and unpickling concept in Python. Suryans Mishra, explain it. What
Yes
is
sir.
pickle and what is pickling and unpickling?
Sir, pickling.
So I know the answer.
Yeah. First, give the opportunity to him. Suryans.
Yes. So pickling means
No, Suryans. First, give the answer. You knew about it or not? We proceed the answers to next.
No, sir.
Okay. Parth, tell me.
yes sir. So pickling is a process where a Python object in hierarchy is converted into byte stream, and unpickling is reverse operation where a byte stream is converted back into object hierarchy.
Okay. I think that you are something missing. Nikhil, you can explain it.
Sir. Yes, sir.
What
Sir,
is?
pickling मतलब pickling is a process of converting Python object into byte stream to
Okay.
store in database and maintain program.
Okay.
And in simple language, it is known as serializing and deserializing,
Very good.
pickling and
Very good.
unpickling.
Very good. Very good. Okay. What is the methods for pickling? What is the methods for pickling? Do you heard
Sir,
about
methods.
dump method and load method?
Yes, sir. Dump method, load method.
Dump method for pickling or unpickling?
Sir, dump method for pickling,
Okay, and load method for?
unpickling. नो
Okay.
सर. सर कुछ इनवर्स बोला क्या मैंने?
No,
ये
no,
सही
it's
है.
it's correct. It's correct. Load is for read operation and
Load, yes sir, load is for read operations.
okay. Ankit Saxena, can you tell about that? What is the exception of in Python? Can you explain about exception? Hello.
Yes, sir. आ रही है सर आवाज आ रही है.
Yes. Tell me what is exception?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, errors that occur at runtime, like value error, if we have to define it in Python programming,
Okay.
like when we code, and we give it in a try and accept within try and accept method.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Is it correct?
Yes. Yes. Something correct. Ansul, what is raise keyword? Ansul, are you hearing me? What is
Yes.
raise? What is raise keyword in Python? RAISE. If you don't know, then you can simply say that no.
So can I?
Sir, can I?
No, sir.
Ansul, you know about raise keyword?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Who can answer it?
Sir, raise keyword
Raise-
is used to show error.
Raise keyword is
Raise
used to
exception.
show error. I think that's not. It's not used to show error.
Shown is a raise error.
Okay.
सर
Yeah,
कोई
Sachin.
भी अनएक्सपेक्टेड
Yeah.
एक्सेप्शन रेज करने के लिए होता
Raise exception. हाँ.
एरर एक्सेप्शन को हैंडल करते हैं।
No, and not is not. It is not to handle the exception. What is the actual use of raise keyword?
Sir, raise
सर,
keyword.
एरर को स्टॉप रोकने
Sir, raise keyword is used to raise an exception.
Raise an exception.
अनएक्सपेक्टेड एक्सेप्शन
Unexpected exception, not actually it is. It is used to create user-defined exception and call it. It is used to call user-defined exception. You can simply say that if no exceptions means if any program has no connected with predefined exceptions, then you can call your own exception using a raise keyword. It is similar to throw keyword of Java. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the pass keyword in Python? Pass. Ankit, what is pass keyword?
सर पास कीवर्ड सर इफ एल्स में जब किसी किसी मेथड को अपने को लिखना नहीं तो अपन पास कर सकते हैं एल्स में
Okay. Can we declare empty class in Python?
मेथड को ब्लैंक छोड़ने के लिए
Yeah. Can we declare
Pass
empty
keyword.
class? Yeah. Next question. Can we declare empty class in Python? Sachin,
सर
can we declare empty class in Python?
यस सर
How you will declare it?
आई नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट सर
Okay. Nikhil, can we declare empty
Yes, sir,
class? What is the syntax
Yes,
for
sir,
this? What is syntax for
Sir,
this?
we can use pass keyword in it.
Pass keyword in it. Okay. When you will compile the class, then which block will be created by default? Parth.
Yes, sir.
When we execute the class, then which block will be created by default? Parth, tell me the answer of this question.
Sir, I don't know the answer.
Anybody? Suryan?
कंस्ट्रक्टर
Yes. And what is the name of constructor in Python?
But
Sir, init.
default.
Init method. Okay. Okay. How to create file in Python? Answer. Tell me the syntax. How to create any file in Python? Suppose that you want to create the file. Sachin, how to create the file in Python?
sir.
Suryansh,
Yes, sir.
how to create the file in Python?
Sir, no idea.
Nikhil,
Sir, file handling.
Sir, open path of file brackets में path of file and mode of file. comma.
yeah, very good. Which mode you will use for creating?
So W.
Yeah, that's good. Means you will use open method and pass two parameters. The first one is the file name and second parameters is file mode. Okay, if file mode is W, then it's first check that if file is not already exist, then it will create, and after that you can write the contents on file. Okay, that is the operations. Okay, you should prepare a lot. Okay, you have very confusion on basic questions. I will take interviews again. Okay.
Okay, sir.